Hi, hi. How is everyone? I'm feeling good. The week is almost done, and I have some time programming, and I've got some time spending with you. That's actually pretty cool. Just let me change some settings here, because I can already see my frames dropping like they're hot. See, no, everything should be okay. Good, great. So I have no idea what to do. I was literally just before the stream. I thought, what am I going to do today? And I was like, I have literally no idea. I continued a bit. I couldn't continue too much this week because there was I had work to do. There's work to do almost every week, so not almost. There's work to do every week, but this week was the first week after my vacation. Hi, Artux. Hi. So I made some changes. I don't know what I did. Let's actually test it. Let's test it as always. Let's test it. Let me turn off my music for now. This one here. Let me turn on the game music. Let me press on save here. And I think I made some changes. I don't know. Hey, Matty, it's not. Is it Thursday already? I'm sorry. Let's actually build this thing. No, I don't want to build it right now because it's gonna. I want to see all the errors that I have. Compile errors and stuff. So let's see. What did I do? We have text messages. I think I added. Oh, right. I'm in this. I'm here. Stream is blurry. Shouldn't be blurry. Like, I'm watching my stream. It's fine. It lags. Like, as always. Like, it lags as always. I hope that is figured out next Tuesday. Everything is set. I have a new router even prepared. I need a new router or router. Is it routing? Routing? I don't know. I have a router for the internet I'm gonna get. I can't use this new one yet because of different technology I'm going to use. But I already have this one, so yeah, almost there. Hi, Rox. Hi. So I hope it's gonna be fixed with. If this is not gonna fix it, I don't know what will. I wouldn't know what could, but that is out of my hand. I couldn't. Let's look. Oh, we implemented the doggos. Right, we've got dogs now. The little pug and the beagle. What else do we have? We've got her sitting there. Oh yeah, that's what I did today. Just working a little bit on the text system because I didn't like how it looked like. It isn't fancy yet, but it definitely is better. If I go in here, now we have this window down there. That's our dialogue window, so it looks a little bit better. I've got a different font now and stuff. I've got a huge beard now. I haven't been on there for 3 days, and my beard is just growing. Yeah. We've got this text system there. I've worked on it. It's kind of complicated, but not really. Got Jessica talking to us. Like, it's a bit more pretty. It's not the prettiest. Of course, it's as always, it's this shitty game here. But it is definitely prettier. Yeah. And I don't know if it works completely yet. It probably doesn't. But one more thing that I have added, and that is actually quite big. Let's see. Is this. So now we're in the nighttime. Jessica just jumps on us. I hate Jessica, yeah. She just does that. Let me add a couple of things. And she goes like a bow. that little... she's still our friend. I've added this. I don't know. Like, that's the status from last time. The creature here. I added this. And we gotta, like, shoot away by using the flashlight. I don't know if that was the last thing you saw. I've changed him. Where is he? Changed him a bit. He now looks... Why is he stuck? Oh, he's stuck because of the... he doesn't find a path, you idiot. That's artificial intelligence right there. I know it when I see it. Yeah. He looks more spooky now. The spider should be deeper. It just randomly spawns. That's the thing. Right now it just randomly spawns. And I don't know where it is. It should be here again. Oh, there. Alright. There we go. And the last thing that I have added, and I literally spent $5 on it, or like 4, I think. There's the sale going on. I spent I think $4 on it, and here it is. Huge difference. Remake the zombie guy. I like how creepy, how weird he looks actually. But we'll see. We'll see in the final version. There's still a lot to do. A lot to do. Super spiders. There. Yeah, I've added this section. You see this? I've added this whole section here. Stupid guy there. I'm probably gonna make him faster or something, but push. He's not done yet, as you can see. I can just push him. Yeah, so I've added this stuff here. Oh, you better go away. It doesn't look pretty yet. Nothing looks pretty yet in this game. That's the thing. That's the standard thing here. We can actually, I think, we should be able to. Like I got those buildings, but those were free. Got those buildings for free. Good value there. Yeah. Oh, this door seems broken. Maybe there is another entrance. Did it just crash? I can still hear the spider thingy. Did it crash? I'm dead. Oh no, it's I think Unity crashed. No, it didn't. What? That was odd. Something really odd. Oh, I understand why. Okay, that's something I gotta fix. Hi, Peter. Hi. Hi. That's something I gotta fix. Because the spider spawned inside the building and then it respawned. That's why it almost crashed. Understood. But that's something for later on. But we can enter actually this door here. We can enter the old hospital here that I've called it. It's gonna load a second because it's actually quite a lot. And that's the stuff I want to work on today. You will see. There is actually a whole new level. We're inside this whole... Wow, my cursor is so freaking slow. That's insane. Wow. Why is it this slow? Yeah, we've got this whole asylum here. Or as I call it, hospital. And that is definitely a whole section I want in the game. And we can explore this building. There's gonna be things here. I don't know what yet. But that is definitely a huge part of the game. I just want to reshape it a little bit today. Hello, hi, and welcome to today's video. Yeah. Yeah, so I want to reshape this a little bit. So we can't use the doors. We can't do anything in here yet. Yeah. Oh, my cursor. Why is my mouse here so slow? I know why, but why? Hi, Sacred Sword. Hello, everyone. Stack Overflow Exception. Wow, interesting. Okay. 700 warnings. Yeah, sure. Okay, go on. Let me actually try to export the game and let's test it. Good vibes indeed. Let's test it in the real version. Because I think the lag is because I'm using it in the Unity editor. We probably had some frame drops or something. That's why. Wow. That takes a long time. Hi. Oh, my emoticon. I always forget that that exists. Hi. Wow, that takes long now. Mesh data optimization, resolving used channels, busy. I don't know what it's doing. That cantina is not conform to pandemic regulations. You're correct, but it is an old hospital. It is pretty old there. Imagine having 700 warnings in tier. Yeah, I don't know what those were here right now. I have warnings deactivated. Currently, I will. That's stuff that you have to fix throughout the progress. Yeah, this takes so much longer than usual. I hope it's only the first time I export it. If it does that every time I export it now, wow. Because I have this horror set, the hospital you saw there, um, that is quite big. Like, that is probably 10 times the size of everything we did so far. If it comes to 3D models and that kind of stuff. I hope it only does that once. I didn't expect it to take this long. Yeah, I don't even know how long it's gonna take. It could be 2 minutes, it could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, it could be an hour. I have no idea. Because that progress bar here is somehow jumping around. It's a different thing if you deactivate things for a simulator for a game, or if you have 700 errors for something in automation. Those 700 errors or warnings in automation, they are definitely worth to investigate and to get a fix. Here it's like, whatever. Finish building. There we go. How long did that take? 2 minutes. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I should not. I imported it, but I don't know why. Why? No, it crashed. Doesn't matter. It exported. It still didn't do it. I have to investigate what that was. Go camping, resume, go home. Let's go camping. Let's start a new game. Let's actually test this from the beginning on. Let's see what we have. Okay. I guess I should... I don't have a backup. I should definitely make a backup. You're right. I'll do one now. For AAA title, it takes weeks. They have special rooms. They literally have rooms only dedicated for exporting the games. It's insane. Like, or also for movies nowadays, they have server rooms. Sometimes they even have like a whole floor only dedicated on exporting. It takes really weeks sometimes. I just thought I smelled like smoke or something. Maybe my PC's just burning up. Let me... No, seems fine. Seems fine. PC is not burning up. Maybe it is. I don't know. Let's see. So far it runs pretty smooth. Yoink. And there. I mean, of course, it doesn't work completely when we are in the Unity editor, because the resources get loaded completely different. Here, the resources are loaded way better. Hi, Mahe. Hi. I like the new font. I downloaded the new font. It's way more clear now. Jessica, if you could just go. Why am I so tall? Yeah, I know. I hope I don't stroke out. I'm pretty healthy lately. I'm pretty healthy. Since the pandemic started, I've stayed inside and pretty much, and that's why I feel pretty healthy. Which, that's the saying, you should knock on wood so nothing bad happens when you say something stupid. So, I'm knocking on wood now, because I don't want anything bad to happen. Was Jessica always this small? Am I just freaking huge? Never realized it. Boop. Okay, you should just run away. Why are you not running away? Why do you stay here? Oh god. Okay. Everything's broken. I made some changes, everything's broken. No. No, I know exactly what the problem is. She a hobbit? She's not a hobbit. We're just tall, that's the problem. And I don't know why. I never realized it. The deer don't take no shit. You're right. Probably I should download the newest editor. I know what the problem was. Just don't worry. I know what the problem with the deer was. I don't know the rest. Deer, player transform. There we go. Yoink. That's it. What were those 700 warnings? Let's test it again. Oh no! Wait. It was the other. It wasn't Game Forest intro. It's in the other room here. Game Forest Night. I think I know what the problem is. Why she was so tiny. Because we should also not be this big. I was always wondering why we're so big. There's no warnings now. I think I know what went wrong. That's okay. Something I have actually in mind for later on. The deer was the biggest evil. That's that's not right. I'm just making us a little bit smaller here. Head go down. Yoink. That's it. We are smaller now. We're just a head. By the way, the character is just a head. I mean, maybe a little bit bigger now. I feel small. I feel too small. Maybe like 130. Yeah, 130. That's it. I don't know why 130. It should be like in meters, but I messed up. Now I have to look up to Jessica. Yeah, I know. I'll test it. There we go. The scaling is 1:1. Yeah, I messed up at some point, and now everything is out of scale. It's all up to me. It's like it's on me. But depends. Most people create their assets in 1:1 scale. But I have already scaled around now a little bit and messed up here a little bit and there and yeah. I mean, that's better. That is better. I mean, she's still tiny, but not too tiny. It's like one head. I'm one head taller. Like, she's a small lady. That's it. She's just small. That's the thing. Just give him a big phone. Just like this huge ass phone. All that text up there. Oh, that's strange. Where's Jessica? Ah, no, that's fine. So, yes, the main thing that I wanted to do. Does anyone know? Oh, I wanted to do this hospital thingy. Which I don't really want to do right now. I want to do some other things first. Just some fixes, just some minor fixes here and there. Just some things to the gameplay. And then I don't want to go to the hospital thingy. I actually want to go to the sea shack that we started. Because that is the first building that you have to go to. Like this little thing here. We're gonna make it a little bit prettier. We're gonna make some things. The hospital, yeah, I've got a hospital now in another room. That one here. Looks something like, wow, that takes long to load. It's really, this asset is really huge. We've got this hospital now that I can use. I bought it for like $4 or so. I can use this hospital now. It's got a basement. It's got everything we need. Empty rooms. So there's gonna be a lot. Like, this is the second level. The first level are those tiny spots, like the sea shack and stuff. I admit it, it's not a simple game anymore. No, it's not. Hey, Peace Simon, hi. It's not a simple game anymore. It's like, oh, it's full blown up. It's too much now. it's like I went wrong somewhere. Yeah, so we've got this huge ass asylum at our dispense. I call it a hospital because I just prefer hospital as like a horror scenario thingy. You could call it asylum. I don't. It's the same thing. Maybe let's actually call it an asylum. It's what it is. It is an asylum. So let's also actually rename this to asylum. Yes. And I need to change some things. I need to change this here. I like asylum more. Asylum is yeah, asylum is more striking to me. Sorry, I just gotta rename a couple of things here. Oh my god. And I realized that my PC is strong. Like I've got a like it's not the newest anymore, but it's still a strong PC. And it is already at its limits sometimes. It's insane. There's a clown in the thumbnail, yeah. Maybe we're gonna have a clown. I don't know yet. Might give it a play. That would be nice, but it's gotta take some time. I thought I would have released it like almost a month ago, and now it's like, no, it's too long. But the main reason I'm doing this, I want to get on one of Markiplier's 3 scary games. That's the goal. That is the final goal that I want to achieve. Just get on this stupid show with that fantastic guy and have him playing this, and then go like, this is shit. I hate this game. That's the final goal. So we've got this. I've got this changed. I've got a lot of things changed. What was I doing? Can I run in the asylum here? That's why I'm putting more effort in than I expected in the beginning. Like it's got to be something. I can't just toss it out there. Kind of gives Slenderman vibes. Yeah, that was one goal, but with the forest and stuff. My PC strong. Why it is, it used to be. Peter, sometimes my internet. That's why. That's why I've got this thing that's gonna get installed next Tuesday. It's usually me. It's usually me. Like I'm losing frames every couple of minutes. I'm losing connection. But next Tuesday, I hope it's gonna get fixed. If it's not fixed by next Tuesday, I'm sad. I'll see. Depends on. Maybe I'll sell the game if it gets really big. But it's just a hobby here, and I'm having fun with you guys around. Yeah, there's a big delay. Yeah. So I'm concentrating too much there. I'm having fun talking to you guys, but I also somehow wanted to get into the game here and change some things. So we've got the Game Forest intro. That is the stuff where we talk to Jessica. And in the Game Forest here, that is the intro. We have locations. I just want to change it around a little bit. We've got the so-called forest barriers, as I called them. And those have this. Basically, if you walk near them, like there's 2 areas. If you walk into the red area that you see, into the orange area, actually, you get a warning like, oh, I'm walking too deep into the woods. And if you get into the white area, then you can't pass the white area. Is it like 15 seconds? It might be, like, depending on my internet. Usually I would stream like without a delay. It's just a hobby. Oh yeah, happy Man's Day, International Man's Day. Yay! We get to celebrate. I don't know what, but we get to celebrate it. Yay! Yeah, I wanna everyone, happy Man's Day. Yay, yay, yay. That goes in here. I'm just limiting to those to the camp because, yeah, we don't need the other areas in the beginning. Then we just can't walk out of the camp in the first level because it's a training level anyway, or an intro level. Whoops. Oh my god, this looks strange. Yeah, like this. Something like this. Doing some voice acting. I thought about it. Like if they should have voices and if I want output. I'm gonna keep it simple for now. I know I said that like for months now. No, for a month almost. I want to still keep it simple. Like, our voices would be fantastic. Let's finish the gameplay first. Yeah, that looks okay. Like, this is just the small area that we have now in the beginning, in the first level. I think that's fine. Yoinks. Yeah, where is my chocolates? That's right. I didn't get anything today. But to be fair, my fiance also doesn't get anything for International Women's Day. Let's test this. This should just say, if I get deeper and good, yeah, we can't just leave camp in the beginning now. It's gonna be like, yeah, we just can't. And we don't feel like swimming, and yeah, makes sense. I just can't do anything stupid in the beginning here. Can trigger this, and then that, and then that. Okay, good. Now let's add some gameplay. Yay! The first level I want. Like, the first level I want is gonna be here. It's going to be... we need to enter it, and then there's gonna be things in here we have to use. We have to find a key and all that traditional stuff. So we have to make a lot of stuff up. We're now thinking about how. How do we put... Not how, I do the how. We together do the what. So... And that's the game forest intro. Here I don't care about it anyway. I don't need the bunker. I don't need the road. I don't need the hidden lake. I don't need the small lake. I don't need the sea shack. All of that can be gone in the intro level. I don't care about it. There we go. That's kind of true. But also do women's. To be fair, they've done a lot. There's points? Oh yeah, right. On Twitch I have points active. I don't know what you can do with it. You can play games with it, but I don't know what. I have just turned on the checkbox. No idea what it does. Oh, the respawn part when things get us. That is a good part. I wanted to work on this. Oh, you're right. Who's hot? Like those here? Those hots? They're just our camp, our friends. Like, we've got friends, we were just camping here. And then there's stuff outside here. Nah, just kidding. I know. Woo, scooter. Woo! One funny thing, now that I've got sound on, that I've realized in the test mode, when I just run, you hear the monster makes this strange sound because of the interference with my cell phone. If I just run, it's going like woo woo. Oh, it's too quiet. 1 second. Let's see, now you should be able to hear like this sound that we hear, and then if I run really fast, there's the Doppler effect, and it goes like woo woo. I love it. You hear it? I just love the sound. Oh, this is so cool. is he? There he is. You go away. The dance spider, I know the spider is pretty good. I gotta say I like the spider. The other one, still I gotta fix a lot of things there, of course. So yeah, they gotta catch us. Like when they catch us, we gotta respawn. Right. Therefore, we're not. I don't want to die in this game. I just want to respawn back in camp. So let's actually do this, because that is a huge part in the gameplay. That is an important part and a huge part, and also one that takes a lot of effort to implement, which I don't like, but that's how it is. Yes. I have this placeholder that you see down here. 430 times, you are dead. I want to add Easter eggs, but that's later on. We already have one Easter egg, I think. Is it still there? Oh yeah, we've got this shark. We've got a shark. But yeah, I definitely want to add more things while as I progress. So this "you are dead" thing, when one of those approaches me and is too close to the player, right? Then this text shows up. This "you are dead" text. That's not all that should happen. That's not all that should happen. So let's concentrate on one creature first. They will have maybe they will have different things that happen. I could do that. Yeah, stuff like this definitely will have. Right now it's just a checkbox and they permanently spawn. I don't want that. That 100% right. So let's see. What I want is, I want to concentrate on the spider first, because I feel more comfortable with how the spider works yet. See, I've got those those checkboxes here, and if I just deactivate the checkbox, it's not going to spawn anymore. Of course, there's going to be a logic later on in that does that. I don't know. I just want to do that, rocks. That's the thing. I just want to do stuff. Whatever we do, that's why that's why a lot of my, not just my, but a lot of projects fail, is because you just don't go on. Like I'm like, right now I have the drive to just do things. So I'm like, let's do this, let's do this. Let's not do too many new things. Let's finish those things that we have. But as long as we do something right now, it's progress. Right? And a lot of people don't get that. Like, a lot of people see like, I can't do this right now, that's too complicated. I can't do this, I gotta do this and that, and then you just don't do it at all. I'm doing itty titty little itty bitty, of course, itty bitty tiny things every time. And that's how we do it. Like, it's just like adding on to the game every now and then. So what I want is the following. When the spider, right, when the spider actually is close to us, it's going to attack us, right? It's going to attack us. And that, I've prepared some things for it, but I don't really know how to approach it right now. Of course, there's some things. The first thing I want is that the spider should have like an attack animation. Like, it's like a jump scare. It's gonna pop up right in our face then, if it's too close, right in our face, and like, gonna have like an attack animation. And that I already have. There's the same lag. Wait, you had a first name. Was it just P. Simon? No, PJ Hopkins. You had a first name. Peter. I'm just, it's the same leg. Hey, Thanos. We've got Thanos here. Oh, that's a celebrity. Yeah, Peter. I just went up in the chat, actually. So, what we need is a lot of things. First of all, the spider itself. Let's go. I've got a folder called Player NPC. Monsters. Why is that not a 02? 02. I've got monsters, and there I have the spider. That one here. Oops. Huh? Why does nothing happen? Why is it so far away? This thing here, right? The spider. My favorite snack? I don't know. I don't really have snacks lately. Like this year, I've been on a like since a couple of months. I'm actually on a diet. I want to lose some weight. Don't talk about snacks, or I'll get hungry. Yeah, the spider, and that spider, of course, has animations already. And there we go. Spider animation controller, and in here there are already a lot of animations. Right now, it just walks. Anybody can look at this idea for a horror game? What idea? Sure, talk to the chat. Peace, Simon. You switch to YouTube. Peter switches to Twitch. It's the same. Like it lags. Like it's on my side. Sorry. Walk animation. There we go. How do I see those animations again? Wait. There they are. So we've got those animations. We just got to choose right now one that is. Oh my god, there it is. Sorry. There we have animations. Let's look at them. Got an attack animation, like something like this. Bite. Oh yeah, I love bite. Die? No. Idle? Nah. Run? That's disgusting. That's a lizard. So that's all we have. Like I've got those pre-given. I could make a new one, but I'm not going to create any assets. No. Let's have that attack. I like that attack somehow. Too big. The thing is, the game is already too big. Yeah, let's have that. Attack was the one. Yeah, I want the attack thingy here. Nah, I know how it should be done, but that's not my style. So I want to go a transition to the attack thingy here. The spider attacks you and then it just dies. The spider should be, it's in the house, yeah. That's where I want to meet it first. So let's make the transition going back. We don't need a transition going back. Actually, so we have this and then it's going to attack. And there is no exit time because we have a condition. So the spider gets a condition now, and that condition is attacking. So when the spider is attacking, it's gonna have that attack animation. That's it already. The second thing, actually, let's add another one. It can run. The spider can run. Like when we flash the light, it's actually got that. It speeds up. And then I want there also a new one. So right now it's not a different animation. It's the same one for walking and running. Let's actually, because I have it, let's take it, is running. And then we have this transition. We could have a trigger thingy, but no, I like doing it like this. If it is running, it goes to the run animation. If it is not running anymore, it goes to the other one. Is running. And there we can have the exit time. Yeah, no, nah, I don't want exit time. I don't care. That attack was definitely made for something else. Yes. Let's see. Yeah. Now all that we need is basically the other stuff. Actually, I want to go back here as well. This has an exit time and it's false. Now all that is left to do for this thing to actually make those animations is to embed it in the code. and there's not much to do. I just need to remember how those things are called because I will definitely forget them. Copy and paste. And let's put them in the code for the spider. So there's the spider code, and I already have a couple of things, right? When it is close enough, right? When it is close enough here, then no, I don't want them in the buildings. The ghost maybe yes, but the spider no. They should be in the forest. Like you have those locations. That's how I imagine it right now. You have those different locations, and if you solve, like you can choose which one you solve in which order, which friend you save. Like there's one friend in each of those buildings of those locations, and there's also a new creature in every of those locations. So if you finished one location, that creature will follow you in the woods. Right? So the woods, the more you progress in the game, the more difficult it will be to be in the woods, which is the general map. You can choose it, Peter. You can choose to have it automatically install. There's an installer for Unity including Visual Studio, and there's one without Visual Studio. Thanos, that sounds a little bit like what's the thing? There was Resident Evil. The Resident Evil had like a multiplayer, the last one that came out, and it sounds a little bit like that, where you send like creatures after the team. It's not really like Among Us. Where one is the bad guy, that was similar like this. How did they do pathfinding through the trees? It's an AI. There is something called an AI, a NavMesh agent, and they automatically find the way. Let's see, if vector 3, if the distance is less than the dead distance, then I want the animator, which I have to import here. Public source, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I don't have it yet. Public animator. And that one is spider animations. Hi, Yusine. Hi. The devil does not walk around though. That is the same as it was in what was it called? Resident Evil multiplayer co-op thingy, where the bad one only had access to cameras and he could spawn things wherever the heroes were. So we've got this, and then if we are too close, right? Spider animations dot set bool, and there is a name for it. It's got a name. What was the name? Is attacking. To true. Else set to false. So now the spider should already have that attack animation when it is close enough to the player. Overhead view of the map. It's a good idea. Like, it was a good game. Like the Resident Evil game I'm talking about, it was a good game, but the concept sounds similar. So it will definitely work, yes. The only thing in multiplayer is always if one is this master genius bad guy, it's always unbalanced who's going to like between the players, which I personally don't like. There's a lot of people that like it. I personally don't. Spider animator is this one here. Done. Now let's see. Let's test if the spider has this attack animation. It only does it once though, so we gotta pay attention to it. Where is it? Didn't I see it walk there? Where is the spider? I heard it. Spidey. I hear it. Where is it? There it is. So if it gets too close, it should attack us. Haha! Well, that looked nice. That actually looked nice. That's okay. That distance. There is also this thing that is called stopping distance. Well, give me a second. I need to, yeah. It's got this thing here called stopping distance. That's my dead distance that I'm talking about. It's 5. It's not 5. This should be Navmesh agent. Whoops. I spelled it small, of course. Navmesh agent. This one here, dot stopping distance, is equal to the one we have. And now that was a little change. Now the spider, I want to say snail. Why? It's not a snail. What? It looked like it wants to put eggs in you. A little bit, yeah. I can already hear it. There it is. Now it should also stop. Yeah, definitely happened. Yeah, that definitely happened. Why? Stopping distance is 0. Why is it 0? Should have changed. Make it 11? Not should only... I don't get it. That is strange. Hi, King Broly. What? That's strange. That is strange. Why? Why? Acceleration? No, it shouldn't be. Like a stopping... yeah, maybe it has to do with the acceleration, right? Where is it? I hate this thing. I mean, I'll just program it. It doesn't matter. Stopping distance? Is that distance, so it should stop. Doesn't matter. I will just go navmesh agent dot stop. There we go. Whoops. Have a stop movement of this agent along its current path. Yeah. Set is stopped. Okay. Sure, why not? I'll do it. I'll do as you asked. How does the jump scare look? There is no jump scare yet. That's what we're building. We're building a jump scare right now. Else, that's false. So if it's now in the distance, it should stop. I know the spider. I really hate it as well. Where is it? The sound as well that it makes, like the stuff. Yeah, that worked. Why the maybe it is the acceleration. Maybe you're right. Maybe it is really just the... Is it? Does it have momentum? Maybe it has momentum. I don't know how this works. Speed, acceleration to 100. There we go. That'll do. Is it? Make it move stupid fast, Mika. No. I mean, I could. I don't hear it. There it is. I hear it now. Where are you? I can see you now. No, it's not the acceleration. Hate it. Huh? Yeah, I'll do that. No, I want this animation. I definitely want the animation and then the screen fades. Yes. But I definitely want the animation first. I think I'm gonna give the player 2 lives. Like, it can attack you and then you have to run away or something. You can survive. If it's less than the dead distance, then the Navmesh agent is stopped. Yes. Can I just do the speed to 0? Man, I'm glad that I'm really experienced with this program. I'm glad that I know the programming languages and everything about it. Yes, yes, I do. If you just immediately die, then the jump scare is just a jump scare. I don't want cheap jump scares. Where is it? Where is the spider? Where's the spider? I hear it. There you are. Can you just do this? But why? Why? Is this... Maybe I'm doing something wrong here? Maybe I'm not considering something. Maybe it is at the distance. No, it's exactly at the player location. Is it? Yeah, it is exactly at the player location, so it's... What? Go away. Go away. There is this follow thing. Yeah, I've got this follow thing on. That's the problem. Yeah, that's what I want, King Broly. Of course, it's like... Let's see what I really will do in the end, but... Let's see. Heh? I thought this is what I do with typing is stopped. I would say, this is how I understand it, that the nav mesh would stop the AI. I gotta Google it. What? Unity nav mesh agent stop. How to stop nav mesh agent immediately? Yes, that's what I want. Blah 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 blah. Game object game is stopped. True. Huh? I already have one other one, like a shadow creature. I want in the end. I want 4. I don't understand why it behaves like this, because if I stay is stopped, it should stop. That's what the thing just said. If the distance is smaller than this, yeah, it... What? I mean, it does that, but why doesn't it stop? Maybe that's why? Come on. Now I'm in the code, deep inside the code. Yeah, it should stop moving. It should just stop moving. What do we have? Is stopped. What does is stop do? This properly holds the stop or resume condition of the navmesh agent. Okay. I would also say it could be with velocity, but I turned the velocity off completely and it still didn't do it. Update this, update that, obstacle avoidance, no, steering, velocity. Access the current velocity of the navmesh agent. This is just an access. Oh, it's a set and getter. No, stop opening more. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's actually okay. Yeah, it is okay because I want to do something anyway. So speed, I don't care. Is stopped, I don't care. Is stopped, I don't care. It's fine. No, it's not the animation. The animation wouldn't stop. No, the velocity and animation is 2 different things. But it just didn't stop the thing. The animation is in the spot, like it's not like moving in the animation. There's animations where it also moves, but in this one it doesn't. I checked that. No, I want to do the following. I want to, like, the player should look at the thing anyway. And should also, it should deactivate, like, moving the character should not be a possibility anymore. So let's do this. Whoops, that wasn't my mistake. I didn't want to do that. That's okay. You were on top there. Player controls. I gotta check the stuff here again. Yeah. How does the shadow thing look? I can show you. Just give me a second, because I'm thinking anyway. Let's check the shadow thing. Because I'm thinking right now. I gotta do a lot of things that I have to do anyway. But that's fine. Spider run away. Shadow thing is right there. Shadow thing is right there. Just hunts you down until you kill it with your camera. Good. So, I gotta do some things now. That I wanted to do for, like, ever. I wanted to do them really in a long time already, but now is the now's the time anyway. We need to do it because right now the player itself can always be controlled. Like when this thing attacks you, I don't want the player to move anymore in that moment. So I have to deactivate the movement of the player. That's the explanation, and that's that's what I gotta do right now. So I gotta do some variables here. Can move. That one is true from the beginning on. Right. Yes. And only if this can move is active, the player can actually move. Yes. If that can move is not active, the player just can't move. So, and I have to control this anyway from the spider on. Can recommend a character. Don't say Broly right now. And the same I want here in the player look thingy. I want actually public boolean can look. Freeze cursor, look up and down. Yeah, I want this here. Scrap trap. That sounds like claptrap. Never liked claptrap. I mean, he's funny, but I never liked him. Yeah. So only if we can look, then we can all do all this stuff. A scrap trap. Oh right, that is this. I have never really played FNAF. I know what it's about. I've played it also on stream for like 20 minutes. Actually, one day, I think. But that's it. Can move. So we've got those two now. So now what I have to do is the following. I want to implement those in the spider for now. Oh my god. I'm doing so many things now. It's okay. Private player move. Private player look. Sorry, I need to concentrate for a second. I'll be with the chat in a minute again. Because I don't want to do anything wrong. Move script, and that's move script is equal to find object of type. This I should have made this a singleton, but I mean now I'm doing a lot of not efficient things. they're not gonna break the game because I only make them once or twice, but they are definitely not the right way. Oops, it goes here. Yeah. I played the first game. I think I played like 3 of them or so. But I can't remember. It's not really. I'm not that jump scary guy. I don't like jump scares too much. Of course, jump scares do some things, but not too much for me. So, this move and this look script, I just need to deactivate the player activity here. If we are close enough, move script dot can move equal to false. Yes. Oh, that's gonna break a lot of things, but I gotta do it. Right now I could only have one creature in there, but no. No, I gotta do it different. So this goes in. I gotta make a function for it. There's no way around it. No way. I only played it for like 2 hours or 3. I liked the game, but it wasn't scary. Like it wasn't. It's a nice game, but it's not scary. I was looking at the scares, but there's no scares. Now what do I want to write? I want a new function void. Kill player? Attack player. That's what I want. Yeah. Yeah, of course. FNAF scares you, but not when you're streaming it. And not when you know what you expect. It's jump scares. Slender was really scary. That's the difference. Slender was really scary. That's the difference between most games nowadays. They're not scary, they're just jump scares. Here I want attack player. Shit, I need one more variable here. I haven't really played the original Amnesia. I also didn't really like. I don't know if it's because I'm already a grown man, but jump scares don't do it. And most of those games are just jump scares. Tech player. I need a. Oh, this is already a quite complicated thing here. Tech player. There we go. Attack player is equal to true. If attack player is equal to false, or if not, attack player doesn't matter. It's all the same. FNAF security breach. That sounds like. Was it SCP? SCP containment breach. Everyone just copies from everyone. That's what it is. Okay, that's this. That's great. And now I want void attack player done. And that happens like maybe a second after it or so. I could do it smarter, but that's okay. Oh, that's all. Oh, this is not optimal. This is definitely not optimal. That's why I haven't done this one yet, because it's actually a lot of things and I can break some things by not doing it correct here. Yes. That's all I wanted to say. I can break a lot of things. Attack player is true, attack player is there, and attack player will be false down here again. I have no idea what I did. I know what I did, and that is I broke the thing. Oh, I can't move. I can't look anymore. Why not? Why can I not look? Player can move? Oh, can look is not active. Huh? Why was can move active? Oh, can move is equal to true, that's why. Okay, okay, okay. My bad, my bad. I did an oopsie. There we go. Coding. Who gets it? I don't. Oh my god. Some people think I'm a good programmer. I'm definitely not. I can move now. I can do this. If this spider gets close to me, I can't move for 2 seconds. It just stuns me right now. Oh, that stupid other guy. I hate them. Go away, other guy. Mannequin gone. It's so much effort actually to make a game, even though this is still pretty small. Just imagine hundreds of people working on something like this. So if it gets too close to me, yeah, I can't move anymore. Can't move anymore. I can't move. That's perfect. After 2 seconds, I should be able to move again. But the thing is, the spider is still close, so it always locks me again. Okay, that's good. Let's do the next thing. Let's make this spider despawn. Do I have like a script for it, or is it? Oh my god. Spider not run away. That's okay. I just want to test it by making the spider despawn. Destroy game object. I just want to check if I can move again after those 2 seconds. Programming is 80%, not 80%, but a lot of times like 50% checking if anything works. Hi David, you are very welcome. Let's see, it attacks me. Woo, and I can't move. 1, 2 seconds and I can move again and spider's gone. And spider's gone. Okay, that it kind of works already. Kind of. Of course, we need to do a lot of things now. And that is the following. We need, like, this should be jump scary. Right? The spider should jump right into our face. Or actually, we should jump right into the spider's face. And that we will do by actually giving the spider... There it is. I'm gonna give it a like object 002. What is object 002? I'm gonna give the spider an object. Like let's make it a capsule. Let's make it a cube. Doesn't matter. Where? Oh, it's way too big now. Oh, the spider is such a tiny thing. I forgot the usual spider is just a very, very small thing. So there, right? And the thing is, this now is where the player, like when the spider attacks you, you actually pop up in front of it, or the spider pops up in front of you. Doesn't matter. It's not the same thing, but it's almost the same thing. It's not the same thing. The spider is gonna pop up in front of you. Yeah. No. No, you're gonna pop up in front of the spider. It's in the end, it's just which it makes a huge difference. Actually, shit. Yeah. So something like this, something like that. Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking. Am I not allowed to think? That is a jump scare position, jump scare transform. That's what it's called. Yes, and that one is, I think, the red. I always forget which one is which. That one is up. That one is down. That one is left. Is that one left? No, it's like this. That one is right. So that one is front. I forget. I always forget how those are called. Forward? I think it's forward. So we gotta do forward? I don't know. Of course, this thing, you can't see it. But this is where the player is going to be teleported. Like, player is going to be teleported right in front of the spider. Let's see. Yes. No. Yes. Spider, and therefore the spider is going to have this spawn point, and that one is public transform spider jump scare square, as we call it. The spider jump scare square. Say that 5 times without losing your mind about it. Spider jump scare square. Spider jump scare square. No, not gonna happen. Nested conditions. I don't know, actually. Yeah, it has to be possible because SCL is like a higher language. Has to be possible, I would say, but I don't know how. Jump square. Come on, you get it. That's a good one. That's a good one. The spider jump square. I love it. So, yes. So this is where the player is going to be teleported. When the spider attacks him or her or whatever. Therefore, we need a second one. Public transform spider. No, player. Player transform. No. Following. That's okay. The following. Oh my god. Wow. Be back later. I'm probably not gonna continue for long, but see you next time around, definitely. Then, thanks for joining. Find object of type. I think I just called it player, so I can reuse it. Yes. Dot transform. Dot position. God is equal to dot position. Yeah, that's gonna work. That's definitely. Oh, it works. That's strange. Rotation equal to rotation. Maybe that is going. I don't. Okay, look, I have no idea what I'm doing. I can admit when I don't know what I'm doing, and I have no idea. Let's see if that could work. Not really, but it could. We should at least get teleported. Rotation, I think I'm wrong, but we should at least get teleported. Where is the spider? There it is. Did get teleported. We did get teleported. The thing I did wrong is, of course, this thing here. Which direction is which? We looked into the wrong direction, so I think this? Maybe that is correct? I don't know. I think that is correct. I just have to test it. I'm too lazy to right now actually think about it. I'll just test it. Oh shit. Whoa. Where's the spider? Come here. Spider! Where are you? My friend? There you are. Kind of correct, but not really. Let's see. Where is it? The next time a spider attacks, I want to see it here. Where is it? There it is. I hear it. And there. The cell phone should point that way. If not, we have to rotate it. To the right, actually. To the right? Okay, got it. So the spider by 90. So into the... That makes sense. That makes absolute sense. I have no idea if that makes sense. I literally don't know. I'm just pretending so that you think I'm smart, but I'm not. Let's see. There we go. Where are you? So once it gets me, it should... It worked! The only problem we have right now is that it is... yes. That the player's too tall, the spider's too small. Just roaming around. No, I don't want those, like, family and... Maybe I want this, just a random creature somewhere. Maybe as an Easter egg. Yeah, the player gets teleported up there. What? No, that's why. Whoop. I'm just testing. I'm literally, I know what I'm doing, but I'm too lazy to think about it. There's a spider. Hell yeah. It's the rotation. Something like this. That's why I'm just testing things. It would be smarter to think about it and to actually make some math and stuff, calculations, and nah. I'll just test it. Where's the spider? I hear it. Where are you? Spider. There you are. That didn't really work. Where are you? I mean, that is ridiculous, but kind of worked. Let's actually play the sound when it gets us. That I definitely know how to do. Spider animation, attack player, spider, 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 spider. I think I spider invoke. No. Where do I play the sound? There. Yes. I mean, it doesn't have a right feel to it right now. Sponge spider jump square pants. Yeah. That's something. It doesn't have any feel to it right now. It doesn't, like, I don't like it. But it is, like, let's see. There it is. Come here, bitch. That's terrifying. Oh my god. My camera is just like wrong now. I love it. And I understand why my camera was broken there, but I don't need to fix it. It's gonna automatically fix it, so it's fine. Oh no, if I have 2 lives, it's not gonna automatically fix it. Where's the spider? Come here. Yeah, venom effect, man, that would be a lot. I want to do a little bit different things here. Where? Why? There. No global like this. Between S7 and Omron PLCs using T-Set. It should be. I'm pretty Torpedo. It should be because it's a standard block. I don't know if Omron PLCs support that type of packaging of that protocol, but they should. I haven't worked with Omron PLCs. If they do it correct, if Omron does it correct, it should actually work. Let's. So I'm making some final adjustments here, but not final, but some adjustments here. But it looks good. Looks kind of good. Not attack player, then do all of this. And if attack player, then do all of these. That's good. I'm just fooling around a little bit here. Because I don't know what I like for. Maybe you have realized, but for like 10 minutes or maybe half an hour even, I have no idea what I'm doing. It kind of works. I still am lost. Where's the Spidey? Spidey. Little Spidey. Where are you? Spidey. I can hear you. I will also speed it up. Because that's too slow now. Why does it still move? Whoa. That's fancy here. If it's strange. Life in Denmark, if curious. Do we have to do it online or what? That would be interesting, but I also have things to do, sorry. Good luck on the examination. Good luck. Only 30 minutes. Oh, that took screw you. You're right. You're right, but man. Nah. You're right. You're right. Let's speed that thing up. Let's make it fast, like the spider. Right now it's annoying that it's so slow. Follow speed twice as much. Hi, Alikan. Hi. Whoa. You'll nail it thanks to my videos. Oh, that would be great. As I say, good luck. You can only succeed. Spider. I'm just playing around with some parameters here. Why is it there? What? Local. That's maybe too much. Let's make it like this. Afterwards to this, and then yeah. I definitely know what I'm doing. Yeah. No idea. I just want to fix this thing real quick. X and Y. Oh, I can't. Oh, shitty gumdrops. New vector 3, vector 3, 0, 0, 0. Let's make it zeros. If you don't know what I'm doing, it doesn't matter. Why? It's a vector 3 with the quaternion. No. Drink. I'm almost done with my whole. Oh, sorry for the sorry for the hit there. I'm almost done with this thing here. I have like, I drank like 10 liters today almost. So no, I shouldn't drink more. So, I think I won't continue for much longer because I am kind of lost right now because my brain just doesn't want to work. I really did a lot of things now. We almost have this jump scare now. Kind of works. Why am I so small? No, I'm not. Okay. Whoa. It just ran past me like with high speed. Let's bring it a bit closer and I think we're like, it's okay-ish. As always, not looking for quality here, just looking for it works. That actually got me. I can't believe it all. It actually got me. The one thing I want to change that the spider is this fast. Yeah, but I want to go like the runaway speed is right now too fast. I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know why I'm being pushed back. Oh, I think I know why. No, I don't. What? Photo speed times? Shit. I really don't know why. Hey, Torpedo, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. I didn't expect it. I always forget that I have donations and stuff on. You just go out there and it just gets me now. You just go out there and ace your exam. Maybe even a little bit closer. Yeah, I'm sorry. It just yells. The spider just yells. I know. Something like that. I'm just finding a good position. Just a good position. Ah, it runs away. No, spider, don't run away. Ah, which leads me to one thing before I forget it. I already thought about it. The spider is not going to attack us when it runs away, which I have not implemented yet in the attack script. Tag player. Wait, where do I call this? If it's less than a dead distance and we're not running away. Right. That was a little bit stupid that if it doesn't run away, if it runs away, it could have gotten me there. Of course, I don't want that. I don't know where it is. It's terrifying. Oh no. Is it gonna get me? I hear it. I actually hear it. There. Go away! Haha, got him. Sorry, I just wanted to test it if I can save myself. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh no! Oh no! It's really a scary game now. Wait, I hear it. Where the fuck is... Ah! Oh, this is great. It actually works. I'm looking a little bit down there. It's not like really something really good or anything, but I actually like it. It works. That's the thing. It does something. Yeah, I'm gonna run away. Dark Forest from Harry Potter. Yeah, Slenderman and Dark Forest from Harry Potter. In the Forbidden Forest, you mean? Oh, I know why. Harry Potter trivia. Maybe a bit closer? Maybe even closer? It's the same audio. I know. I think about it, but I don't have sounds. That's the thing. I don't like. I would have to download them and then test them again, and I don't. And finding those is always a pain in the ass. Just a little bit lower, a bit closer, even now. How did it end up behind you? I don't know. Hartux, I have no idea how it did that. Oh no, I know. I know how it did that. Oh right. Thank you for actually doing that. It's got like, I have this here. I have a despawn distance. Like if it goes, because if you run away or something, at some point it should despawn. I have that in there, and now it's faster. Of course, it reaches that despawn distance. Let's actually make that further away. Because it despawned, that's why it was behind me all of a sudden, because it respawned. It didn't despawn, it respawned. Love it. Love it. There we go. I could have just done a couple of things there, but that's fine. Something like this, maybe. And yeah, now I'm just fooling around for like 2-3 more minutes, and then I'll call it a day. I can already say thank you guys for joining. Oh, that is almost great. That is almost good. I want to try one other thing. That's good. That's good. The light of Erendil. The light of, is it spelled like this? I always thought it's like, oh, I can't type. Erendil. Is it Erendil? I always thought, like, because in the movie they say Ehelendil. And I always figured that this is how you spell it. But Erendil makes more sense. Yours makes more sense. You want to play a game? I mean, we can play for like. Okay, great. We are done with programming now. Let's give a game for like 5 minutes. It's bad pronunciation. It's my bad pronunciation probably, because I don't. And in German maybe they even say it differently. So I would say we did great with the spider. Now I will still, as always, I will do some stuff probably offline or so. For now, I'm not sick of it, but I'm tired of it actually. What do you mean with a game? Do you just want? We can just play a random game. Uh. Here's the thing. If you want, like, let's. I'm just looking at at Steam right now. Because I haven't. Shut up, Steam. I haven't played a Jackbox in ages. But that would take too long. No. Here's what I play lately: Frostpunk and Anno. I also tried Witcher, but nah. I mean, I have like 300 hours in Witcher, but nah. Tealerland? What is Tealerland? I don't have that. Let's play. Let's actually do just one quick round. Just one quick round Jackbox. What's the quickest Jackbox there is? Wait, no. Let's just. Oh, what I sometimes do after the stream is just a very, very quick round of Scribble. Right? So just you can join this or you can't. I don't really want to go into a like a 3D game now. I'll definitely do that in the future if my internet works. If this thing succeeds, if that holy thing that I got, if that succeeds and makes my internet better, I need a technician to actually install to activate the better internet or the other internet. That's why I have to wait. I can install it myself, but I'm not allowed to. I don't have the sufficient rights. Half-Life Alyx, no, it's way too expensive. Yeah, that's why I don't want to. I don't want to get the what's it called? The index. Yeah, just for one game. That's basically what it is. You have the index just for one game. Wait, that needs to go here as well. So if you want, we can play one quick round of Scribble here in the end. Just join using the link. It's because I don't want to really go in a big game now. I'm actually a little bit tired. That actually tires. Did you know, like, programming actually makes you tired? Especially when you use your brain. I know, it's strange, but yeah, it does. Oh, look at the colors. We have, like, green, orange, green, orange. Can we get one more green one in here? And then, so that the green ones win? I'll start the game in like 1 minute. But it was fun. Like the spider now, it makes sense actually right now. That it attacks us, and then I'll just do like that the player then spawns in the camp, or that the player's actually dead, or that we have second life or something. Of course, there's a lot of things still missing, but I mean, we've got a jump scare. We've got a jump scare in the game. Yay! Finally, it starts to be a horror game. So if someone still wants to join, you have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Rounds 3. Oh no, I wanted to. Oh no, I wanted to go down to 2 or something. If you want to cheat, just watch my stream, and you can cheat when my words come up. That's just what it is. That is definitely. Oh, that's this one here. Whoops. Did you guess it before me? Oh, I made a spelling mistake. That's why I. Nah, that's why I was supposed. No. No. Yeah. We gotta continue programming next time. I won't. Like, this is. We're not done, as you see. How many times since. How long am I working on this project already? When was the first live stream? A pint? It's not a pint. When was the first live stream on this? Oh my god, let me see. It's already a month, right? Please tell me it's already a month. It is exactly what. No, it's 3 days over a month. Wow, that's long. That's got it. Haha. I didn't even pay attention. See, that's how it is. That's how I do. Oh, there's actually a delay in my stream, right? So you can't cheat. I mean, you can, but there's definitely a delay. So you can't cheat immediately. Haha. That I know. What? See. Huh? Almost, Hartox. You almost have it. You almost have it. You almost. It's so close. You're so close, Hartox. You're so close. It's kind of unfair that it's not the like your language, your first language. Let's see. Is this huge thing? This one there. You won't get more info from me. uh, this one here is blue. This one here is red. The last one is very tiny. The first one is also not too big, but definitely bigger than the last one. I made it hard. I made it hard. I'm sorry. I made it especially hard. This one's got rings. Those are the 9 planets in our solar system. That's Mercury, that is Venus, that is Earth, that is Mars. I know it was so bad. I'm sorry. I made it bad at, like, on purpose. I made it bad on purpose. I'm sorry. That is. There we go. What? That's not it? How do you already have it? What? There we go. Yeah, okay, you spelled it. You spelled it wrong. Hartux, don't spell it wrong. You would be winning if you would just be spelling it correct. Man. It's actually relaxing after this round of programming now. My brain needs a break. Definitely know what that is. That definitely is... I know it. Got it. Hatux again. It's the same word. Again, it's exactly the same word. Hatux, you did it correct the other time. You did it correct, and you did the exact same spelling mistake again. No, it's not this letter. I'm sorry. You did it correct the first time. Think back. Think back 5 minutes. Yes, you got it. It was the exact same letter. Love it. Because, of course, in German it's spelled this way. Like, Hartux did it correct for the German spelling. Oh, sorry for laughing. The exact same letter, the exact same mistake. Love it. Oh, great. That definitely is... What is that? Oh, I know it. Got it. Good drawing, good drawing. I needed to think for 1 second, but I got it. Actually, turn on some music just for me. Wow. Almost. Haha, was faster, Rox. Haha. The word SpongeBob was just too long. That's why it didn't fit. Word is Peter itself. The word is mouse. The word is a son. The word is... I don't know. There's no word yet. Spider. The word definitely... The word of the day is spider. That is... perpendicular. Are you done? What? Are you done yet? I think you are, but... It's a... Wow. I don't know. That okay, got it. I was thinking that word earlier, but somehow I got distracted by the drawing itself. Isn't... Do I have the... Do I have the wrong word in mind? Oh, I have the wrong word in mind. I'm an idiot. Oh, look at me, I'm an idiot. Of course that's what it is. Good drawing then. I thought about something else. Because I tried perpendicular and then we have diagonal. What? What? Hey, you can't draw it. What? You can't write. You're not allowed to spell. Wait. Oh, you really wrote. Oh, you really wrote down the word. I was like, I'm searching for. You can't. That's cheating. Ah. That was a sad attempt. Yeah. And I was like, what does it have to do with mafia? Mafia. What could it be? And then the word is mafia. And good old Freeman didn't get it. There we go. Let's take the simple one this time. Oops. Wait, I should have taken maybe this. Maybe that makes more sense. I took the wrong color. I didn't even realize I took the wrong color. Oh my god. I mean that if you could guess it. I don't want to draw more. I could. Let's draw more. Yeah, the green made it confusing. I'm sorry. Here, someone can shoot them there. The green made it confusing. I'm sorry. I was thinking about a military helmet, but of course a hard hat makes more sense. A helmet is hard hat a helmet? Or is helmet? That's just an English question. Or is helmet the real thing? Like that? I'm confused. That's I know it. It really is. Yes. Good one. Good one, Freeman. Good one. Oh, of course that I was really like that it's cont. It's not cont. It's like that movement. That movement makes like swoosh, swoosh. Ah, that's Nike. I didn't think I was right. Ah, great. Skilly fog. Okay, that is... Wow, that is three-dimensional. We've got some perspective in here. We have... I don't know how it's spelled. Yeah, obelisk. I thought so, but no. Hartux and I, we also think so. What? I... It's the Washington Monument, but it's not... How's it called? Oh, it's Obelix. Wait, Obelix? That's just the fat guy, isn't it? The thing is called Obelisk. I know that was the Capitol building. Yeah. I understood what it was. Is it called Obelix in English? I don't know. Oh, right. We continue. I got it. Done. Almost. But that's a special type of sandwich. I don't like this song. Don't like this either. I like this one. That's why, but you could have guessed it. You could have still guessed it from the drawing. I mean, it was pretty close. Like the obelisk thingy still. That definitely is perpendicular again. What could it be? Yeah. Hard to get. Hard. It's a difficult word, I gotta say, but you got it. You got it. Almost. It's almost. Dass die Welt ist, wie sie ist, es wäre nur deine Schuld, wenn sie so bleibt. That one was super hard. I gotta say, that was probably the hardest so far. What are we doing? Hi, Dinesh. We're done with programming. For today, we're done with programming. We're just playing this little game here in the chat. If you want, you can join. There's a link. But we're done with programming for the day. So I'll also call it quits in like 5 minutes when I win this one here. What? What? Ah, okay. I'm stupid. I thought I already typed that. You can't just always write it out. Freeman almost. That's an easy one. Whoops. Can I just undo the last thing? I can't, right? Whoops. Whoops. Okay, you still got the bell. I'm sorry. I just deleted it. Hey! There we go. We're all great. We are all great. That's what we can learn here. We are all great. That was fun. It was a bell. It was a bell. Nah, not one more. I'm gonna call it quits for the day. It's been 2 hours already. I'll be back maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. Like, I usually stream every second day now. That was fun. Thank you guys for joining today. You hate spelling. I can tell, Hartux. I can tell. It's just fine, which I'm also not good at spelling. If I would be good at spelling, I wouldn't be an engineer. I would be something with letters. I'm good with mathematics, though. I can calculate. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. You can catch me in today's probably. And then next week, gonna have this, and then, yes, I hope. Fingers crossed on this bad boy. Bye-bye. I'll think about your scrap trap. I'll think about a lot of things, but now I'm just taking a rest. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Trust me, I'm an engineer.